What is going up, guys? How you doing? Mike Cesaroni here, back with another couple of coins that I want to shout out real quick. This is just going to be a 2-second video. I want to make a couple live streams and come out quick so my viewers and my subscribers, they have an idea of what I'm trading, what I'm looking at for the moment. And if it's a strong call out, I'm going to come on here and I'm going to let you guys know about it. One of them right now is being nulls. In fact, right before I went live, we saw this bounce off the 15 EMA here as a correction. More or less looked like this here. Okay, so we saw this bounce. I entered a position right at the touch of this 15 EMA, and I'm going to place a stop loss a little bit below that just in case it does continue to rally to the downside. But a lot of the times that nulls has been moving, and this has been happening with ZRX a lot too, is it's been climbing, coming back down to these 15 EMAs, climbing, coming back down to the 15 EMA, climbing, 15 EMA, climb. So right now might be a great buying opportunity for nulls, getting in on a small position, minimizing your risk, setting your stop loss tight. Right now it is turning green, guys. Before I went live about 2 minutes ago, this was bottomed out, bouncing off of that 55 EMA. And I think this could be a strong play for a quick 5% gain. And that's what I'm looking at right now for nulls. Let's go over ZRX real quick. ZRX looks like that it could go either way, but I am keeping my eye on it. ZRX right now is consolidating into a flag pattern. Bullish wedge, maybe starting to become bearish. As you can see, it's being squeezed right here underneath the 15 EMA and my support line. So what happens here is we can see the 15 EMA being curled down, and this looks like a potentially dropping. It did not look like this a couple seconds ago, but I'm glad that I did bring it up because this is something to keep an eye on. What I'll end up doing is I'll set an alert right here, and I will set an alert right at the break. So as soon as the price action touches one of my alerts, I will be notified, and it'll remind me to go back to this chart in case of a breakout. Not really too concerned if it does break out to the downside. What is interesting to me is the 55 EMA is right there below it. So it could be a potential bounce to the 15 EMA and then a quick bounce to the upside back into this channel for a bounce to the upside. Just a possibility there. While I have you guys live, let's just go over BTC real quick. So the way I'm looking at BTC right now is we're in a consolidation phase, which is good because it's allowing a couple of the alts to kind of gain a little bit of momentum. But as you can see, we're on the 4-hour chart right now. We have a ton of resistance to get through to go on any type of run. We have my resistance drawn out here within this pattern that I think it is going to start forming and eventually break down from. I just don't think there's enough volume coming into the market to do a reversal like I had said before. If we do a reversal, we need to break through the 15 EMA, the 200, and the 55. So it's going to be tough. And there's one more coin I wanted to take a look at, and that is YOYO. YOYO BNB or YOYO BTC. Now, it's very interesting to me, and this could also be a great play for you guys. So I was just explaining to a good friend of mine that is in the market, and he asked for my opinion on what he should do because he wants to play this yo-yo position. So this is what I would do in a situation if I were playing this. The 200 EMA right here, as you can see, it is bouncing. That wick indicates a bounce in a price reversal, in a reversal in price. So if you're working not with 100% of your portfolio, but with 100% of what you had in mind on what you wanted to put into the coin. So say it's $100 that you wanted to invest total into this coin. What I would suggest is putting 25% in now, putting a buy order in with another 25% right at the 1554, hoping for another bounce to get it a little bit cheaper. And then I would take that rest of my 50% of the $100 and I would play these breakouts. We do have a lot of resistance that it has to get through, but you have the 55 EMA right here. So what I would do with that remainder 50% is I would put it in if we ended up breaking and closing above the 55 EMA. There's been some major price action that's been happening with Yo-Yo the past 2 days. And to me, that indicates that's a very big and bullish indication on something big happening. Somebody's grabbing a bunch of these Yo-Yo tokens or coins for a reason. So you got the Yo-Yo BTC, and then in the previous video that I showed you guys, the Yo-Yo BNB, this happened last night. So look at this. So these are two huge buy orders. That's a market execution order into this coin. Somebody is buying a lot of it, and somebody is buying a lot of it for a reason. So that is a bullish sign to me overall. And it could be a quick play off this 200. And listen, if it does go below, I still would feel comfortable holding it until we see a break below this region here. That region there. So that's what I got, guys. That's it for today. I want to bring up something that I'm going to put in the description. I'm going to start using Steemit a lot more, I think. And that's a way that you guys can contribute. Instead of having to worry about the YouTube community, I mean, I'm going to try to come at this with all angles social media-wise. But Steemit is a great platform. It's very new. And the creators on the platform get paid based on the blockchain. They don't get paid based on the users. So all it takes, guys, is for you to go like my videos, and I get revenue from, you know, the knowledge that I'm giving out. And that's just an easy way to support the channel, guys. And you know, I'm not looking for donations. Like I said from the get-go, I'm not doing this for money. I make my own money in the market, but I am doing this because it's something that I love to do, and I do want more people involved, and I want people that I know personally to get involved in the market and just know a little bit about what it's about. So before I go on another rant, I hope you guys all have a great day. Check out my Twitter. My Steemit handle is MikeCess, M-I-K-E-C-E-S, all lowercase, one word. And my Twitter, you guys already know, @CesaroniMichael. I hope you guys have a great day, and happy trading to all.